Is the iPhone 12 Pro Max still worth it in 2025? With newer iPhones dominating the market, you might be surprised at how powerful and reliable this phone still is. Today, I'm going to break it all down: design, performance, camera, and whether it's still a smart choice for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we bring you the most honest and exciting mobile reviews. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tech breakdowns. The iPhone 12 Pro Max was Apple's biggest leap in design since the iPhone X, with its squared-off edges, stainless steel frame, and that massive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. It still feels premium in the hand. Honestly, it's one of those devices that doesn't look outdated, even compared to the iPhone 15 or 16. Now, under the hood, we've got the A14 Bionic chip. Back in 2020, it was ahead of its time, and here's the crazy part: even today, it still handles multitasking, heavy apps, and gaming like a champ. You won't feel like you're using an old phone at all. One of the strongest selling points of the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the camera. The triple lens system with LiDAR still delivers stunning photos and videos. Night mode, Dolby Vision HDR video recording, and that sensor shift stabilization make it a beast for content creators. If you're into vlogging or social media, this phone still delivers professional level results. Battery life is solid. The 3687 mAh battery may not sound huge today, but iOS optimization keeps it running efficiently. Plus, MagSafe charging introduced a whole new accessory ecosystem that's still relevant in Apple's lineup today. So, should you buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max in 2025? If you're looking for a premium iPhone experience without spending over $1,000 on the latest model, the 12 Pro Max is a fantastic deal. You get flagship-level performance, pro cameras, and timeless design at a much lower price. So what do you think? Is the iPhone 12 Pro Max still worth your money in 2025? Or would you rather go for the newer iPhones? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more epic smartphone reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.